This is CNN Breaking News.
Good evening, everyone. Today's breaking news is, what just happened tonight at December 26th? Everyone at home are questioning who was those three as werewolves. We and the whole state of Pennsylvania were very scared at night when sirens went off and the wolves attacking people. We have our correspondent, Kate. Kate, are you at the area where the fight was last time?
Yeah, I'm at the location where it just happened last night. The queen of the dinosaurs, Rexy, was last seen here, so as the three wolves. Jesus, how on earth does a blue wolf have a red hat holding a microphone, a dark red wolf with red dark hair, and an orange wolf holding a gun and shoots from its mouth? Everyone is very confused, so am I. Rexy is injured and she won't let anyone cure her. Now back to what was that?
Civil danger warning has been issued by the Pennsylvania Police Department. Residents of Pennsylvania, lock all your doors and windows immediately. The same werewolf that attacked Pennsylvania and Rexy is back. We have gotten a few information about the wolf. The wolf is a girl with black eyes, with dark red hair and horns on her head, and her real name is Cherry. It's confirmed she is a demon, disguised to prevent anyone knowing her real identity. This is the real image of her locked in a cage, after being caught by animal control, but she managed to break out and still continues to attack innocents. You can't not leave your home or hotel until the situation is taken care of. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation.
This is CNN Breaking News.
This is insane. Cherry is literally making chaos in Pennsylvania. Police are trying to make down this killing demon, and they're dying because of her strength. Everyone is gonna have to take shelter like right now, but now there's more news. Pennsylvania is having an earthquake or something is awaking. It's unknown if a new kaiju is gonna appear in a random state. But back to here now. There's my correspondent, Kate again. Kate, what's going on?
It is absolutely insane and deadly chaos. Everyone is dying and screaming for their life. This wolf has gone truly insane. There is nothing the cops can do about taking her down, so does animal control. Plus, I shouldn't even hear of how dangerous it is. I really can't explain this quickly. I have to get out of here before she kills me.
Sing this song, doo-da, doo-da. Camptown races 5 miles long, oh, doo-da day.
What the fuck is your problem?
Oh, hey, Wendy.
Are you just an asshole? Is that it?
Am I just an asshole?
Yeah!